नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself JVN Dr. Astha Sikarwar, Assistant Professor, Department of Organ of Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is basic concept of health. The word health refers to a state of complete emotional and physical well-being. Healthcare exists to help people maintain this optimal state of health. In 1948, the World Health Organization defined the health with a phrase that modern authorities still apply. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Six dimensions of health: physical, social, environmental, emotional, spiritual, and intellectual. In 1986, the WHO made further clarifications: a resource for everyday life, not the objective of living. Health is a positive concept emphasizing social and personal resources as well as physical capacities. This means that health is a resource to support an individual's functions in wider society rather than an end in itself. A healthful lifestyle provides the means to lead a full life with meaning and purpose. 19 in 2009, the researchers publishing in the Lancet defined health as the ability of a body to adapt to new threats and infirmities. They base this definition on the idea that the past few decades have seen modern science take significant strides in the awareness of diseases by understanding how they work, discovering new ways to slow or stop them, and acknowledging that an absence of pathology may not be possible. Today, three types of definition of health seem to be possible and are used. The first is that health is the absence of any disease or impairment. The second is that health is a state that allows the individual to adequately cope with all demands of daily life. The third definition states that health is a state of balance and equilibrium that an individual has established within himself and between himself and his social and physical environment. Health, homeopathic concept. The homeopathic definition of health can be covered in six words: the freedom to adapt to change. A healthy person is able to adjust freely according to changing circumstances. Homeopathy is a therapeutic system which employs a particular way of applying drug to disease according to a specific principle, similia similus curantur, and it applies as well the theories of vital force, chronic mass, and dynamization of drugs. It considers two important phenomena: the drug phenomena and the disease phenomena. Homeopathy or homeotherapy is a department of science in general medicine which has for its principal objects the observation and the study of the action of remedial agents in health and disease, and the treatment and cure of disease by medication according to a fixed law or general principle. According to Dr. Stuart Cross, health is that balanced condition of the living organism in which the integral harmonious performance of the vital functions tend to the preservation of the organism and the normal development of the individual. Role of vital force in health. In aphorism number 10, Hahnemann says the material organism without the vital force is capable of no sensation, no function, and no self preservation. In the condition of health, vital force governs the whole sensation and functions of body and maintain the harmony of life and producing a state of well being and comfort and resists the diseases and preserves the health. It enables the reason gifted mind to engage in the higher purpose of life as there is perfect balance between mind and body. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.